Altcoin season is the particular period of time or season where altcoins outdo Bitcoin. What I mean by this is a lot of persons would be moving funds from Bitcoin into altcoin, and this would help the price of altcoin to spike. You would see a great move for the altcoin, and it is one great season to make a lot of money because altcoins are, cheap in price. When these funds move into altcoin, you would see great movement. It is an opportunity for you to make 100%, 500, 1000% of your investment in cryptocurrency. And how do you tell when it is altcoin season? Onoja Nathaniel is my name, and on this channel here, I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online. Please do well to smash the subscription button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. We do our best here as a family to help you grow financially in this crypto space. Okay, the number one thing we use to calculate or to check for this season is Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is the ratio of Bitcoin market cap, over the market cap of the entire cryptocurrency. I mean, the entire market. All right, market cap is a short form of market capitalization, which means the total value or worth of that company or that product. Now, in cryptocurrency, the market capitalization for Bitcoin is measured by the value of each Bitcoin multiplied by the available or the circulating supply. All right, when you multiply this, it gives what is called the market capitalization. It is very important to know the market capitalization because it helps investors to know the value of this project before going into it. A lot of persons will want to know the worth of a particular company or an asset before investing into it, and this is why the market capitalization is very important. Now, when the market capitalization of Bitcoin is higher than the market capitalization of cryptocurrency of the total cryptocurrency market, okay, it is Bitcoin season. And when the market capitalization of Bitcoin is below the entire capitalization for the crypto space, it means it is an altcoin season. Let me show us what I mean by this. On this screen here, you will see market cap here, all right? And the first one we have here is Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin BTC. The current price is $28 to $40. Now, let's go straight to the market cap. You can see that the market cap for Bitcoin is $546,785 billion. Just Bitcoin market cap for Bitcoin. All right. The next altcoin, that follows this in terms of market cap is the XRP. Mind you, every cryptocurrency apart from Bitcoin is called altcoin, which also means the alternative coin. Bitcoin is the main coin here. All right. Now, XRP has $24.255 billion. And from here, we can see the, Dogecoin, you can see Litecoin, and a lot of them here. And you can also see their market cap, which is much more lower than what you have for Bitcoin. Now, how do you tell when this is an altcoin season, or how do you identify that an altcoin season is coming? First of all, you visit this, you load this on your browser, blockchaincenter.net, and when you're here, you just go to tools and, charts, and, there is a simple tool here that helps you just tell when it is an altcoin season and when it is not, okay, which is the altcoin season index. When you click on the altcoin season index, okay, it will bring you to this space where you can boldly see exactly what the market is about. It is written here, it's Bitcoin season, which means this is not altcoin season. As soon as it is altcoin season, it will be written here that it is an altcoin season. Now, this is the 8th. Now, let me explain what this means for you. You can see this at this point, it is marked altcoin season, and below this, it is marked the Bitcoin season. This is because when this index goes up to above 75, it crosses into the altcoin season. And what you're seeing here is the dominance. Let's go. The top 50 performances over the last season. Now, these are the top 50 performances for altcoin over the last season. I mean, the period of 90 days. You can see the STX, and it is 161.7%. You can see these are the top 50. And below it is written, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last season, which is 90 days, it's altcoin season. Excluded from the top 50 are altcoins like the Tether and the stable currencies. Let me also show us how it looks on the Bitcoin dominance when you go to TradingView. When you come to TradingView, you can just go to the pair here and type btc.d. Okay, it simply means the Bitcoin dominance. All right, you can see it here, market cap, Bitcoin dominance. When you click on it, it will bring you to this page. Now the Bitcoin dominance here, like I already explained, Bitcoin dominance is the ratio of Bitcoin market capitalization over the market capitalization of the entire crypto market. Now, when this dominance for Bitcoin begins to drop, we see significant price movements in the altcoin. I mean, up movements. It goes up, and when the dominance begins to retrace back up, we experience a fall. Well, this doesn't always happen, especially if the market is stable and Bitcoin price is also experiencing some, bullish moves. All right, let me show us an example of what I'm talking about. You can see that on the, you can see at this point from the 9th, okay, from 8th of April to 12th of April, there was an increase in price, and down to the 18th of April, we fell. From this point, we fell to this point, which was within the period of, let's say 12th of April to 18th of April. Let me mark this point for us quickly. Okay. So from this point, there was an increase, and from this point, there was a decrease. So as you can see right here, it was 4% up, and here it was 4.6%, 4.2 here rather, and 4.6% down. Now let's go to Ethereum, for example. Remember we said on the 6th to 12th of April, okay, and from 12th we fell back, down to 18th. Now let's check what happened on 6th of April. Now this is 6th of April. You saw that you can see that the price fell from 6th, and this right here is on the 9th, and as at 12th we were still down. Remember, this is 12th of April, and and on the 12th of April for Bitcoin dominance, we were already up. You can see that we were already up on the 12th of April, while on Ethereum on the 12th of April, price was down. Okay, this is exactly how to explain. Let me mark here out for us. Okay, from this 12th, there was a spike, and this big movement from 12th upward to 16th, 17th, 18th, price of altcoin went high. Let's see what happens to the Bitcoin dominance. From 12th of April, the Bitcoin dominance fell, retracing to form double bottom with this point. That is why you see that it fell 4.6% down. And from here, we have been seeing this sideways movements, trying to consolidate and the rest of them. So what I'm trying to show us here is that as the Bitcoin dominance drops, there is a bullish move for altcoins, and when it begins to go up, altcoin dumps. This also happens significantly to Bitcoin as well. This right here is the 11th of April. You can see that Bitcoin went up from the 8th of April. From 8th of April, it went up. Ethereum also went up from that period of time, but not so well. Okay, and after this point, when the dominance started, dumping from this point. When the dominance started dumping, we saw that ethereum, or the altcoin rather, saw a bullish movement. So basically, when the bitcoin dominance begins to drop, there is always a spike in price for the altcoin, provided that bitcoin is doing the opposite, right? But when bitcoin moves up, or when bitcoin price goes up, the altcoin relatively go alongside with it. All right, so you want to check out for what the price action for bitcoin is at the point, and what the dominance is at that same point. If bitcoin is dumping and the dominance is going up, it tells we are not in the altcoin season. If bitcoin price is going up and the bitcoin dominance here is significantly dumping, all right, it simply tells that it is likely an altcoin season, or it is almost altcoin season. So you would want to go to the blockchaincenter.net and check out what the season is. All right, right now it is not altcoin season, and we are still in the bitcoin season. You can see that there is a ratio here. When it goes beyond 50% to 75, we are in the altcoin season. Okay, the last time we were in the altcoin season was in August 2022, and it lasted for about 2-3 months, and we fell back down. Okay, and that is the dominance for you. We've been down, and right now we are still in bitcoin season. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, which I believe it is, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with as many as you would want to help with this information. Also, you would want to drop a comment below. If there is any cryptocurrency you want me to help you analyze, you can drop it in the comment section, and I will see to it as soon as I can. Thank you, and see you in the next video.